I made a custom GPT that helps you audit your website or create a content strategy. You can ask it to help you refine your content themes and topics, refine the messaging of a specific page, evaluate the performance of your website using hard data, or audit your website broadly and suggest improvements. Here's an example. I will ask it to audit my website. The Content Strategist Pro, my custom GPT, will now ask me for my website address. It tells me that I could add more content about emerging topics within the B2B SaaS space, for example, AI-driven content strategies or advanced analytics for content performance. And it also recommends me to introduce new formats for my content, such as podcasts, videos, or webinars. Well, I am doing a video now. Let's ask it something else. Yes, Content Strategist Pro, I would like help refining my content topics. Now the Content Strategist GPT asks me what my target audience is. I like that. And whether I target specific industries, job titles, or seniority levels. Now my Content Strategist GPT tells me that I should create some content about advanced content audit techniques for B2B SaaS or case studies of successful content strategies, how to integrate AI and machine learning in content strategy, data-driven content strategies, measuring the ROI of content. I like this. What else can you do for me? Let's analyze my website performance. Great, the Content Strategist Pro GPT will give me a template that I can fill in and will do the content audit for me. It tells me that it will look at things like page URLs, meta titles, meta description, content types, funnel stage, user intent. There's a lot of data there. I'm curious what recommendations it will give me. Okay, I'm gonna download the audit template, fill it in, and see what GPT recommends that I should do with my website. If you wanna give the tool a try, I'm gonna post the link below.